Welcome to Fat and Unfiltered Mukbangs, where we fill your bellies up and leave you with some juice. Welcome back, baby loves. It's your girl, Miss Kitty, and we back in this thing. And if you are new, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And hit that bell notification so you can be notified every time that we come to you with another video. Whew. Y'all, I'm still not used to saying that whole thing by myself, even though we had to do all them solos. But shout out to Talk Today, and definitely, y'all, shout out to Redlick Burger in Chandler, Texas, because I went through and I tried them out on my way home. And so basically the chicken patty that she showed y'all on the video, they put that on the chicken salad. Bussin'. And it was only $8.97, something like that, y'all. But definitely it was worth it. I will put a video somewhere here, probably over here, so y'all can see it. But let's get into what I got in front of y'all. You know, a little home cooked meal from your girl, Miss Kitty. I have baked chicken. So this is my spicy baked chicken. That's what I put in the taquitos, flautas, whatever you want to call them. And this is just a baked potato. And I have a salad with cheese, olives, onions, and I like fried onions in my salad. Who like fried onions in their salad? Like the fried onions that you put on the green bean casserole. I like that. But let's go ahead and pray, y'all, so we can get into this bite. Bow your head, baby loves. God, thank you for this meal. Thank you for blessing us with this channel. Continue to watch over us in this world. Continue to watch over our baby loves. And keep us all humble in your name, I pray. Amen. Let's eat. Ooh, and I didn't even tell y'all what I had over here. You know, I'm feeling feeling fancy. I'm feeling fancy. I got me a little decorate, strawberry decorate, and it's homemade by your girl, Miss Kitty. Let's taste her. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That's gonna get you there. Ooh, okay. Wait a minute now. Get myself together. Okay, y'all. Look at that, y'all. Here, I'm gonna give y'all a bite. Y'all a bite. Ooh, y'all see that cheese pool? I'm gonna give y'all the first bite. Here you go. Here you go. Y'all, look at this chicken inside. Like, it's just falling apart. It's falling apart. Like, yeah, that's so good. And it's not fatty. Like, the fattest thing I got on my plate is this potato. And I know I'm eating with my hands, but yes, I'm eating with my hands. I'm not gonna eat this baked chicken with a fork. I'm not gonna do it. But I'm trying to do this one meal a day, and where you fast, I think it's 23 and you eat within a 1 hour window, or it's like a 16-8. It's so many different versions of fasting that you can do, but I'm trying to do the 1 meal a day. And in your 1 meal a day, you can have 1,200 calories, between 1,200 and 1,700. So yeah. This right here is definitely 1,200 calories. I know somebody gonna say, you got dressed, too much dressing on your Saturday. Mind your business. You know somebody gonna say it. And I ain't ate all day. Try me. No, try me. Try me. But baby loves, how y'all doing? I know y'all was like, y'all talked all that mess about not doing solos. And here y'all go, doing solos. What had happened was, I got sick, y'all. And so, they was treating me like it was the plague. Like how cute she was, y'all. But shout out to Talk Today, because she went to the store and she shopped for me. I needed some stuff and she didn't change a word when I asked her, and I appreciate that like a lot. But y'all, she didn't want to bring it in the house. She hung it on the door. I wanted to be mad, but I was like, you know what? Don't be mad. Sis just didn't want to be sick. But it was some kind of a little stomach bug going around. And, whew, baby, it's lethal. You hear me? Lethal. Y'all, this chicken is good. It's stopping my mouth. And I don't eat the gristles and all that, so if you looking for that and you looking for somebody to suck on chicken bone, I don't do that either, okay? Huh, not here. But yeah, basically, and that's why we doing solos, because she has to do a solo. And so I'm putting out one, but we'll be right back together. I didn't want to get her sick. She definitely didn't want to be sick, and she definitely did not want what I had. Whew. Nobody wants what I had. That little stomach bug is something fierce. Everybody was like, you got that shit. Black people get on my nerves. Y'all, this is so good. This is strawberry, pineapple, ice, and some strawberry syrup, and a Four Loko. Half a can of Four Loko, blended up real good. And I poured it over some a little bit of strawberry juice. Yeah. This is like my own little concoction, but when I tell you it's delicious and refreshing. Yeah, Dave, you might have to try that. I think you'll like that one. Excuse me. Y'all, it's so funny telling people that I meet or showing them like what my extracurricular activities are, which is this. Like, they've been so supportive. I love it. Like, asking for the links and everything. Like, shout out to y'all. Because I'm sure some of them not interested in seeing somebody sit in front of the camera, just talk and eat, but the fact that they're actually taking time to watch the video, okay. I don't even feel no type of way about telling people no more. I just be like, I'd really be a little offended if people haven't taken the time to take a look. That potato. Now the potato is my favorite part. And I'm trying not to smash it, y'all. Cause I don't need to. I'm actually starting to get a little full. I ain't gonna pat my own stuff on the back, but round of applause. Woo! Standing ovation. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. Before I start acting too goofy, we definitely want to say here at Fat and Unfiltered Mukbangs, rest in power, Chadwick Boseman. Definitely. Black Panther. That was a hard one, y'all. 2020 has just been like, it's been awful. It's been death after death. And can we say shout out to his team for 4 years, holding him down, being solid, not leaking his business? That's the type of people that you need on your team, point blank and the period. Excuse me, somebody like that. Ooh. Yeah, that's a true team. That's people that really have your back. And we just definitely want to say rest in power, Black King. You will truly be missed. And please do not mess up Black Panther, Marvel. Like, don't do it. Because y'all, I am a Marvel fan. Like, Marvel, don't mess it up. We will petition you if you do. You know we will. When they thought Beyonce was about to be in a movie, baby, petitions went up everywhere. No, ma'am. Beyonce will not be Storm. But yeah, 2020, y'all, has just been tragic. One loss after another loss. One sad story after another sad story. Another black man being shot after another black man being shot after another black kid being shot. Like, over it. Yeah. So many people. 2020, you know, it's gonna be our year. 2020 is gonna be. 2020 was supposed to be so much to a lot of people. Man, include me, but I have to say, like, even in the midst of everything that's been going on, I'm thankful. And I'm definitely thankful to still have the people around me that I love. Like, I love y'all. Hopefully y'all watch this video. But I've actually started making an effort to tell the people that I love, like, I love you more frequently, or just checking on them. Because you never know when your last days are upon you, so. Tell the people that you love them. Check up on them. Visit them. love on them, all of that. That's what 2020 has taught me. Make an effort, because I'm that family member who don't. I'm not trying to go to the reunion. I'm not trying to meet up at auntie, grandma, uncle in them house. You know, I might get a little vibe under my ass and y'all, let's go hang out. But baby, when I say it's a little spark every once in a while, baby, every once in a while. But I definitely love my family. Yeah. This is so good. I definitely smashed. Let me get a couple more bites, and then I'm gonna be out this thing. So this is a long video already. Well, it's not too long. I don't like the fat part on any kind of meat, y'all. And I know some of y'all like to eat the fat part, but I'm gonna pick it off every time. Y'all, why y'all didn't tell me that was lamb on my stuff? Y'all just gonna let it later. I'm telling you. You just can't trust people these days. 2020. Okay. Y'all, that last bite. Yeah. And you know what I always say? The perfect part of a meal is when you got the perfect drink that complements it. So when you get that last good bite, what you do? And when that drink is just as good as that meal, it's perfect. This meal was perfect, y'all. And I enjoy sitting here talking to y'all, just having good old chit chat conversation. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up and comment, share, and subscribe. And hit that bell notification so you can be notified every time that we come to you with another video. And I guess we're out. Yeah, Miss Kitty, we out.